everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Payoneer. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to sign up to Payoneer, click open a web browser and in the URL box, type in www.payoneer.com. Once you do that, you'll be taken to its official website. In order to sign up, click on the register button, and as soon as you do that, you'll be taken to a next page. Choose from the option and describe yourself if you are a freelancer, online seller, or much more from the options. From the drop-down, click on the option that is displayed and click on register. The first thing you'll need to do is to select your business type. If you are an individual or a company, simply click on the options and enter your first name in the first text field below. Move on to the next field and type in your last name and enter your email address on the next. Make sure to enter a valid email address since it will be used to access your account and send you communications through the website. Re-enter your email address in the next text field and on the next field, select your date of birth information. Now click on the next button to move forward. On the next page, you'll need to fill in your contact details. Select your country from the drop-down if necessary in the first text field. Now enter your address on the next. Enter your city or your town's name and enter the postal or zip code on the next. Now, after that, under mobile number, enter your mobile number. A code will be sent to you via SMS, so click on Send Code to receive it. As soon as you do that, wait for your code, and once you receive it, type the code into the verification code text field. Now, click on the next button, and on the next page, you'll need to enter your security details. Enter the password for your account into the Enter Password text field. Make sure to type in the password, which is at least 7 characters, and make sure it includes at least one number and one letter. On the next tab, re-enter your password you just created. Make sure both the passwords matches. If you want to double check, then click on this eye icon and reveal your password before moving on. Choose a security question from the drop-down and answer the security question on the next text field. Your security answer may be asked to you later in order to verify your account. Under ID details, enter your ID type by choosing from the drop-down. Now enter the ID number that you chose and enter the date of expiration on the next. Now enter the code that you see below. Make sure to type in the code correct in order to move on to the next step. Now click on the next button to move on to the next step. After that, the final step is to enter your bank account details. Choose your bank account type and enter your currency from the drop-down. On the next field, choose your bank's name from the drop-down and enter the account holder's name on the next. Now, enter your bank account number and in the last text field, enter your SWIFT or BIC number. After you're done, agree to the terms and condition by clicking on I agree to the terms and condition, privacy and cookie policy, and I agree to the pricing and fees. Finally, click on the submit button after you have done entering your information, and just like that, you'll be signed up for a Payoneer account in no time. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.